guys, welcome back into my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we clone ourselves whenever we make video or any type of photo. If you don't have a Filmora9, then you can search into the Google, then upload to it, so it will be easier for us to set up. Good things when we make clown video, it's good way when our background it must be only one color. For example, my background is white color, then keep it white in each video or in each photo, so it will be easier for you to clone ourselves. Then we can change the background when we finish uploading the clown. Let's check out my video so you will know how to set up about it. Alright, we will open the Filmora9, then we go to the import, then we press then we choose any type of video or photos what you want. I will choose these 3 videos. The number 1 with red color, red cloth, my second one with the blue cloth, and my third videos with red cloth again. Guys, I will move my first video, then I keep empty the number 1. Then my 3 videos I keep it into one line. So I will press right click, then we go into the green screen to set up. Guys, look here, my background was white color, so I have to remove it, then I press the white. If you have any type of color what you have, then you click any type of background what you have, because Filmora9 give us a many type of color background, so it will be easier for us to change it. I will press OK. Then guys, look, the second picture is coming out, which means that the third video doesn't have a background anymore. I will do same as before. The second video I will remove the background, then look, the number 1 it appears. You can move with any place where you want to move your video, so all in one place. So let me move this one into the right side. So when it's done, then we will press the export, then we write here any type of word, so it will be easier for you to check your video later. Then we will do OK, export, then video will be upload. We press the find a target. This is my video, so I will move it to the desktop, then we will go back to check about it. Guys, this is my video. I will do double click so we can open it. Guys, these are our results. The 3 video what I've made. So if you want to change your background, then I kept already the number 1. Then you can add any type of background, then you will remove the white screen, then your background will coming out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Then that video, I hope that will be useful for you whenever you upload any type of video or photos. Also, if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe. It will be easier for you to get my information, because every single week I make a new advice, new topic for you to learn new things in this life. If you want to know how to change our background, I have a link on my description below, then you can follow my easy step. See you next day, guys.